Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today, my video is based on men's beard, the difficulties one faces and the solutions to maintain it in a reasonable way. Therefore, here's what you can do. Trimmers or scissors. Use normal trimmers and scissors instead of buying the ones that claim to last for long and the ones that only look fashionable but are hollow. You have to sincerely invest some time to look stylish for long. Use coconut oil instead of beard conditioners. These oils contain vitamin E, which is beneficial. Now these are basic things that we find in every home. Choose coconut oil cause they reach the roots directly without damaging the first layer. You'll not notice any sort of itchiness or dryness. They make the base healthier by penetrating your skin strongly without hampering it. Avoid washing your facial hair with extreme hot or extreme cold water and drying after you are done. Use normal temperature water to wash your beard. This way you also are sure from not suffering from any kind of acne. Pat your face dry once you are done. Get yourself into a habit of drying your beard whenever it's washed. Replace the expensive beard wash with a herbal one. Herbal beard washes are more affordable and never cause any side effects usually. Always use stuff that assures you a breathing skin at the end of the day. My last suggestion and the most indispensable one is that never force the growth. Be 10 hands away from artificial products. Don't force it. Go for natural process as much as possible. Your beard will last better. And have patience. It all works. Give it the required time. Never compromise on fashion anymore. It's cheap and easy now. Go ahead. Try these tips and tricks. If you find this video helpful, then do hit the like button and definitely don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Feel free to share your views in the comment section. Also, I'll be posting more content, so to be updated, do hit on the bell button too. Bye bye. See you all soon with another solution.